do place. So here what I'm talking about is how to take a not formatted, very raw text looking document, and in fact I'll just toggle over here to show everyone. This is what I'm going to be placing in InDesign. Has no formatting. And I'm going to put it into InDesign by clicking it and choosing Open. And then I get the little, it's flowing right into the text situation. So I really don't want that. Now I have just my text back to where I wanted it. And this time I'm going to click and drag out a box with the loaded text. And I'm going to do that again because I know that was a little odd. Now this problem is it has it all in the wrong situation here. So I'm going to undo again. And this time I'm going to click cover body text, well, basic paragraph first. Okay. Click away, and now I lost my place. My place text seems to be gone. That's okay. I'm going to do it again. Text tool. This time I'm going to make the box better, or more correctly, and then choose, starting with the body text style, and then file, place. And again, this is getting recorded, and I'm going to choose my recap letter. And it didn't seem to care about my body text style. And in fact, it's corrupting it. But I'm not daunted by that. I'll select everything, and I'm just going to bring it back to basic paragraph, even though it's like boring and it takes a lot of time to do that. Sadly, I can't really make that not happen. But what I do have is correct amount of paragraph returns because when I typed the letter, or extra paragraph returns because when I typed the letter, and you'll have this too most likely, I just typed it in, Office because I was pasting this into a email. This is for an email, but I like to write them first before I type them in email and check the spelling, so I look like a professional. So now what I would do is select all the text and use my correct text. There's my cover body text. I still have to take out all the extra returns. While this content does not necessarily suit my styles perfectly, it's a better concept. And then here, double click and headline, right? And click and drag and subhead. What's happening there? No hard return somewhere. Let's try it again. Looks like hard returns are there. 1, 2, 3. That's a hard return.
And you highlighted.
I did?
Yes.
I made an error. Okay, there. And now that should be subhead. Okay, so there we have it. That's the procedure that I would use. And then this, might need some other tweaking, but conceptually what you're not going to have is to clean it all the way up in InDesign. And all this other stuff leads us to another important question, which is, what if you have a style that's close to what you want, but you want it to look different on some pages than others, like smaller or different leading, which is definitely going to happen. So I hope that underscores the question you asked earlier, Mike. I'm going to stop recording for now. But that is how to handle moving something that may be heavily formatted from a Word document into a .text file and then placing it in InDesign.